Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're checking out the CRKT M16-13z. So we'll just get started right away. So this thing, it's about $54. It's a combo edge, meaning we got our serrated edge here and our fine edge here. It's a spear point design. It's a AUS 8 steel, so the steel on it isn't bad at all. It's got about a 3.5-inch long blade, and it's a hollow ground blade here. One thing I did notice is that this side of the blade does have a different grind than this side here on the edge. So on this side, it's a little bit steeper, but on this side, it's a little more shallow. All right, let's just get to it. Let's cut some stuff. Let's see. Let's start with some computer paper. Oh yeah, goes through that just fine. Let's see. Got some cardboard here. Not bad. Goes through it with the combo edge and the fine edge pretty easily. See, I got a branch here from the tree I was cutting yesterday. Not bad. All right, we got some just regular 550 paracord here. Right through it. See the serrated part. Right through it. All right. And we got some of this survival cord from the other day with the wire and the fishing line and everything in it. Oh yeah, cut through that like nothing. All right, we got our 1100 cord, this thick stuff. See how it does through that. So this stuff's pretty tough, but it did go through it pretty good. All right, let's see after all that if it kept its edge. Oh yeah, shaving sharp. All right, well, you know what we'd like to do with the knives. Let's see if we can make a fire. Let me readjust the camera real fast and we'll get to it. Oh, one last thing. Forgot about the zip tie. Oh yeah, right through it. All right, we got some fat wood here. Let's see how it carves. Not bad. It really wants to bite in there. Let's try with the serrated part. The serrated part almost works better for this wood. Oh yeah, a lot better. Well, I wouldn't say a lot better, but just as good on this soft wood here. All right, let's just get a little more. Now this thing, it is a spear point, So up here, the edge kind of tapers down, and it is kind of nice and sharp. So let's see if we could scrape with that. I'd call it a scraper. Got those nice fine bits there, good for starting a fire. All right, we'll just cut those off. Got our Doomsday Prepper cotton from the other day. My fingers are all sticky from that wood. Just mix this all up, get all the oils, flip out the cotton, make sure we got a nice large surface. All right, because the edge is nice and sharp, I think we're gonna be able to get some good sparks off of this. So let's check it out. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. Right there, first try. So while that goes, I'll just tell you what I didn't like about the knife is the lock system. So it is a liner lock here, but in order to disengage it, you have to pull this red switch back here and trigger the lock at the same time. So that's really annoying. So you have to go through two ways. The other thing I don't like about it is that it's a tip down design and not tip up, meaning the pocket clip sits like this with the tip facing down. I usually like my pocket knives to sit the other way. And so those were the two things that I didn't like. What I do like about it is it flips open nice with this flipper here. And it also flips pretty nice with the thumb stud here. It's almost faster with the thumb stud than it is the flipper. Anyway, if you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and check me out on Rumble. I'll leave links to my Rumble page in the description box below. CRKT M16-13z. Man, that's a mouthful. We'll catch you next time.